Hi everyone, Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 12 by 24 inch or approximately 30 by 60 centimetre canvas, and I've added some black paint to it, and I'm going to do a swipe, and I just want to do it that little bit different to the way I usually do them, and so I've just put the black on, putting some red on, which, as you can see, it's not actually red. What I didn't have any orange, so I mixed some cadmium yellow with Scarlet Lake, and I've got this tangerine sort of red colour, and it's really rather pretty. And now some purple, and there is OGX in the red, and some white on the top, just to lighten him up a little bit here and there. And you know, I'm going to swipe with black, and I've got too much white there, I think, in a puddle. He's reacting already. Okay, so here we go with the black across the top. And my trusty little damp cloth. And I'm just going to do this all the way down. Now what I had actually wanted was more black here, which is why I put the black there, and it hasn't happened, so okay. So from about here, I'll just take this off and put black on. Probably easier with my hand. Take that off. Put black on. And then do this. Want black on the end, I shall have black on the end. Okay. So I'll just, won't use that cloth again because it does have colours on it. I'll just get a piece of this, and I can do that. Very good. Put that straight in the bin so I'm not getting it everywhere. A bit late, but hey, I'm going to wipe my hands off. Okay, so they're wiped off. Now, just getting some little strips of cardboard, and I'm going to bring this you know, that's not doing it for me. So what did I have? I had purple. I had orange. white. Okay, let's do this. Need a bit more purple. Right. See, I'm messing it up. That's not good. Alright, let's do it this way. Purple, orange, white, black. Now, if I quickly just rinse this cloth, it should be right. Here we go. Brilliant. Right, get over there. Now, I'm just going to leave those. I'm not getting excited. Getting a little bit of cling wrap. A bit more because I'm going to put little dobs of white, oops, and some little dobs of red. Some little dobs of purple. Hey! Funny little dogs. Here we go. Okay, that's rather nice. Put it there. Right, I'm not touching that because I really like how that's doing its thing, but I can see a few air bubbles, so I'm going to give it a quick shot with the torch. Oh, come on. Right, that should get on. Now I know I have, there it is, a piece of pipe. Wow. How cool is that? So I'm not touching that. I really like that because it is really quite different. And yeah, that's, you have to say, that is really nice. And I rather like it like the side that you're looking at. So I'm just going to take this paint off here. Let that dribble off. And this bit there, along here, done like that. Right. And I think I've got all my corners. Oh, sweet. Okay, cloth. There we go. Yeah. So I'm going to bring you down to have a look. The recipes for the paints and the pouring medium you'll find below. Show more under the video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. And click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. This is what I was looking at. And I'll show you from this side, but I really think the way you were looking at it is nicer. So please give this one the thumbs up. I have enjoyed doing this one. Had me tossed there for a second, but look at my centre. It's not quite centre, which is cool. I like things to be a little bit off. They're like me. Not quite right. Blech. And this is the lower half that I did second. As you can see, the cells are growing. So they're going to be quite spectacular. And yeah, look at that. And some little itty bitty ones there in the white one. You can't really see them there. There's rather a lot in that white there too. Well, let's get around here and see if we can't see a bit better. No, it doesn't want to. It's just too big. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching, and please give this one the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.